in the heart of the Nordic lands, a victorious roar echoes across the mountains and fjords. The Viking coders, these modern warriors of the digital realm, celebrate their triumph. Their latest conquest? The formidable task of building an AI language model with Azure AI. A battle fought with lines of code and algorithms, their weapons of choice. Their celebration isn't complete without a feast, and at the center of their table, a dish as vibrant and robust as their spirit, the Orange Salmon. A dish that marries the wild essence of the sea with the sweet, citrusy bounty of the land. Now, imagine yourself in a warm, inviting kitchen. The air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of fresh ingredients. First, gather the zest and juice of 2 large oranges. The citrus will lend a fresh, tangy flavor that perfectly complements the richness of the salmon. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add a finely chopped shallot and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Sauté them until they turn translucent and their fragrance fills your kitchen. Pour in the orange juice and add the zest to the saucepan. Stir in a teaspoon of finely chopped fresh thyme, a hint of honey for a touch of sweetness, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for that much-needed Viking kick. Allow the mixture to simmer gently, reducing it to a rich, concentrated sauce. This process, which might take about 10 to 15 minutes, is essential in combining and enhancing the flavors of your ingredients. Once the sauce has thickened slightly, remove it from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. The butter lends a silky finish and balances the acidity of the orange. Season your sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and there you have it, a delightful orange sauce ready to be drizzled over your roast salmon just before serving. The journey of creating this dish mirrors the journey of every Viking coder. It requires patience, precision, and a passion for excellence. So as you savor the flavors of your orange salmon, remember, every line of code, every debugging challenge, every victorious solution, they're all ingredients in your recipe for success. Embrace your inner Viking. Conquer your coding challenges with fervor and an appetite for success. For in the heart of every coder, there lies a Viking, eager to celebrate their victories with a feast of knowledge and triumph.